Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, bear with me, I've forgotten my crib sheet with the details of the vehicle, so I'll tell you what I can remember. All the correct details are in the wording of the advert and the photos. Right, I know it's a SEAT Alhambra 2-litre TDI S Ecomotive, 6-speed manual diesel 7-seater, registered the early part of 2019 on a 68 plate. I think it's 115,000 miles or 112. It is one company owner leased, CYGNET, to the Health Authority. These cars come with a full maintenance printout. They are one owner from you. It has had the cam belt done, from memory 79,000 miles. It's got 11 services, I believe. We have a maintenance printout with every penny that's ever been spent on the vehicle. Pretty sure they are MOT'd every 12 months and health checked every 6 months. So they are maintained regardless of cost. It drives like a brand new car. The aircon is absolutely freezing. I think it's £9,595. All the tyres are good. The MOT's till next May, April, May. It is lovely, clean, tidy vehicle. 9595, 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual, front park sensors, rear park sensors, 7 seats, obviously. Aircon and climate control, rear climate control. Alloys in lovely condition, lots of tread on all of the tyres. It's recently had one new tyre. 7-seater, 9595. It's an Ecomotive S, I believe, is the model. Lovely, lovely, lovely bodywork. Not scuffed, not scratched, not horrible stone chips. Front bumper's lovely, a few stone chips on the bonnet. But as I say, it has done over 100,000 miles. Inside, grey cloth. There are fitted mats underneath the paper mat. The cloth on the seats is super clean. Steering wheel, lovely condition, it's got cruise control. It's got Bluetooth, it's got DAB radio, it's got tyre pressure monitoring, freezing cold air conditioning. It's got the mats in the back there. It's got the rear climate controls on the back of the centre console. The cloth inside the seats are beautiful. 6 and 7 seats are in excellent condition as well, and all the carpets. Decent pads look pretty new. They are very, very well maintained. No scuffs to the rear bumper, no dents, no scratches. Nice and clean in the boot area. Yeah, not tatty. This side of the car, beautiful as well. Wheels, tyres, paintwork, shiny, not dented, not scratched. Lovely, lovely condition. Really is a nice car. 2019, year, remember? Electric mirrors, electric windows. Pretty sure that this car comes with 2 remote keys. I've taken a picture. Automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel. There is cruise control on the stalk over there. 112,798 miles. Last serviced at about 108,000 miles in April this year. As I say, 10 or 11 services, and has had the cam belt and water pump replaced at about 80,000 miles. Beautiful, beautiful clean car. All the mats are in there. £9,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 or more other videos we've produced over the last couple of years. There are several SEAT Alhambras from the same leasing company. about 6 months ago. We have them in batches. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.